Welcome to this Android channel, and this is the Android Daily Tech News Bits. This is a news item that I've taken, and actually every day we'll have a little news item that has to do with Android and smartphones and tablets. Today our daily news has to do with Samsung that is releasing and has just released a beta version of a app that is the PlayGalaxy app. So what that will do, and right now it's compatible only with the Note 10, is that you'll have the ability to stream your games on your smartphone using this app. So you'll have to install the app on your PC, install the app on your smartphone, and you'll be ready to stream games on your smartphone. Now, for now, like I said, only the Note 10, but Samsung does say that more devices will be included in that possibility, and that the minimum requirements will be a Core i5 Windows 10 computer, and of course you will be able to stream even on, not just on Wi-Fi, but via Bluetooth, via Wi-Fi, via your 4G, 5G connectivity, and it will even support that you actually hook Bluetooth controllers to play the games. So that is in beta form right now, and of course that's coming soon, and more devices. It will also support Android 9 Pie or higher for the game streaming services. So that's coming up soon, the Samsung Play Galaxy app that will let you stream games. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.